Are you planning to establish a business overseas or to achieve your commercial goals? Such an exciting opportunity. But it can be complicated because there is a process of getting the attestation of the commercial documents before you are allowed to establish a business in overseas. The consular stamp from the embassy is a crucial part of the legalization process of commercial document for international business. It would help if you got specific documents such as GMP certificate, free sale certificate, registration certificate, or trade license attestation from the respective embassy. This process will accredit your commercial documents' legitimacy and help you to establish a business in overseas. It's obvious to get stressed with so many questions, and only professional help can save you from all these complications. But worry no more. Excellent Apostille Services is here to help you.
Excellent Apostille Services provide you with the complete guide of attestation procedure for commercial documents. Regarding: what is attestation for commercial document? Why is attestation required for commercial documents? How to get an attestation for commercial document? Is your presence required to get the attestation? How long does the attestation procedure take time? What documents are needed to obtain an attestation? What is attestation for commercial document?
The consular stamp from the consulate or embassy is a legal procedure that will perform as the evidence of verifying the document. The consular legalization is the certification of documents that are essential to conducting international trade.
Why is attestation required for commercial documents?
It is a policy of many nations that demand documents with an embassy attestation stamp to business in those countries. After attestation, it displays that your documents are correct, which can be sanctioned in those countries. It prevents fraud. With the consulate attestation stamp, the particular certificates become right, genuine, and recognized by their ministry.
How long does the attestation procedure take time for commercial document?
The commercial documents attestation process is a multi-step process. It has to be reviewed by the Chamber of Commerce and the External Ministry. The consular can finally attest the document. So it takes 10 to 12 working days time, although there are many ways to finish process on a fast track. Contact to Excellent Apostille Services, one stop of legalization solutions.
Also, it's important to know what exact documents are required for the process. The consular stamp can be printed exclusively on original commercial documents. So, original commercial documents required, which should be in an apparent better position, and all signs and stamps have to be readable and clear. Moreover, it must not contain unusual marking. And as supporting, cover letter on company letterhead to favor the respective embassy. Attestation procedure for commercial documents. Step 1. Submission to EAS office. Commercial documents submission to the EAS is the beginning step. Excellent Apostille Services is a private professional and non-government agency, collecting document from all over India, and submitting it to the MEA and respective embassy for attestation. Step 2. Chamber of Commerce. The Chamber of Commerce is a trade arrangement and the first step in verifying commercial documents before MEA attestation. Step 3. MEA. The Ministry of External Affairs is central government, which verify the commercial documents before embassy attestation. Step 4. Embassy. The consular of the respective embassy can finally attest the commercial document. An embassy is a diplomatic mission usually located in another country's capital city or economic capital city, which gives consular services. It is a group of government officials, and their head is ambassador who represents their government in a foreign country.
Since this process involves your original document, there is always a concern of document security and handling. So, it is beneficial to get documents attested from experts. Excellent Apostille Services guarantees the highest reliability and quality, and provide end-to-end services of attestation. Let us explain to you why we are the best for the attestation process. Our pan-India reach will provide you with personalized and quick services. Free pickup and delivery service across the India. We have 24/7 customer support. Guaranteed safety and security of your valuable documents. All in one hassle-free document attestation service is just a phone call away. Once we know the destination you want to business, we can take care of everything needed after that. And you can spend your valuable time planning your business and make the best out of it. For many years, our service in this industry and transparency in work makes us the first choice of our customer. Contact today to get the door-to-door services for your complete attestation needs.